Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan chocolate-covered strawberries. Start by washing strawberries and drying them completely, then melt vegan chocolate with 1 tablespoon coconut oil for shine and smoothness. Dip each berry fully and tap off excess, then place on parchment. Chill for 20 minutes to set. I will share tips for texture, flavor pairings, and keeping berries fresh so your treats look and taste their best. Gather 8 ounces of vegan chocolate or 1 cup chocolate chips, plus 1 tablespoon coconut oil for gloss. Select firm strawberries with dry stems and about 16 to 20 berries for a single batch. Have parchment, a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl, and skewers on hand. I will explain melting techniques and a quick tempering tip so your chocolate sets smooth, avoids bloom, and stays shiny for serving and plating. Cool the melted chocolate slightly so berries do not wilt, then hold each strawberry by the stem and dip while rotating for even coverage. Tap off excess gently and place strawberries on parchment with space between each. For decoration drizzle, use a spoon or piping bag with contrasting vegan chocolate, or roll in toasted nuts or coconut before the chocolate sets for texture and flavor contrast. Serve chilled or at cool room temperature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.